welcome at the Mystery Vlog. A pig! A pig!
I want to be on a tweet vlog.
Yeah, tweet! Hello and welcome at the Mystery Vlog. Today we're going to do another unboxing of the... You're so cute! I love you! Yeah, I love you! Now be quiet, dearie. Hello and welcome at the Mystery Vlog. Today we're going to do another unboxing from the Disney Funko lineup. And this time it's the 50th anniversary. We're going to start with... Well, that's the big one. We're going to start with the small one. Look at it.
But it's the cutest one.
It's so cute. And it's holding the keys.
The keys, oh nee, dat is een ander lied. Oh, maar dat is...
Oh, you wanted to do the Haunted Mansion. No, this is... Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Oh my god, I never get you out of the box. And now I see how detailed and cute you are. You don't have to stand.
Samantha, I need to be out of the box.
Yes, you're going to stand with my computer screen with the Mama and Mushu and little Grogu and all the other Funkos I have.
Oh my gosh, she looks very cute. Does he have a name or is it just dog?
Dog with keys.
Dog.
Dog.
He's just dog.
I don't know if he has a name. Like, I'm not gonna call him like Jack Sparrow. Called him a Murgy Mondrel or something. I'm not going to. A Mutt.
He's just dog.
Yes, it's dog. Okay. He's so cute. His little cute ears. Oh my god. Oh, sorry.
Did you already tell it like this or the 50th Funko?
Yes, I did.
Oh.
The 50th anniversary. So, I'm going to turn him. It's not really much going around with him, but he has a lot of spots and they colored him in, so it's beautiful. It's like I never look at Funkos that way, but this one is very detailed.
I think Funko really stepped up their game.
Yeah, like this is the 50th anniversary. We need to make this a special, perfect.
But also with the princesses and everything.
Yeah, you really can see that the ears are glued on and his muzzle is glued on, but his tail is glued on, of course.
Hey.
What hey? I'm sorry, you want to see the cuteness?
Yes.
He's so cute.
Look at his little eyes.
Yeah, see his little keys and his little mouth. His little nose. He's cute. If I look him in this light, he's cuter than the color on the box. So, I don't know where to put you because we got this big castle going on and everything. So, I'm going to put your box right here. And you're going to be cute right here.
Smile and wave, boys.
I like to wave at them as they pass by. Yeah.
So, we're going to start with the heaviest one. That's not really true. I think the castle is more heavier. But, let me see how to do this. I think this is a stronger carton. There we go. There we go. It's a stronger cardboard than these ones. Okay, we're getting it out. Put the box right there. And here we have Goofy. That's pretty.
Oh, he also has that pearl shine.
It's shiny. So that's a strong stand. There we go. He's so heavy. You want to feel how heavy he is? Just put it in your hand. He's so heavy.
Ooh.
So.
You don't expect that.
No. It's like one solid piece. You would think that's... Funkos are normally whole, right? There we go. Ooh, you can even see him sitting in it. Like a little bench.
I love it.
Going to turn him. So this is the back side of Goofy and Dumbo.
That's the butt check.
Yes, the butt check of Dumbo. Oh, look at his little snout.
So he's so cute.
when I was turning this, I was thinking like the ride goes like this, then goes up and down, and then just we have, you know, like all little kinds of Dumbos right here. It would be cool if they have one with pink and then blue, yellow, and oh, this one is blue of course, and green, and then all the Disney characters, not just Goofy but all the Disney characters. That would be so cute. Don't you think that would be cute? Woof. Okay, so woo, I'm going to put you next to this cuteness, and then I'm going to put down this box. There we go. Just put this box over here, and now, my God, if you, this one is so light. I was like, ugh! Oh, it's not really. We should not have done that.
It's Mickey and a Space Mountain.
Yeah, it's Mickey, and I think that's why the box was so difficult to open, because it was so heavy. There we go. And here we have Mickey.
Hot dog.
There we go. Mickey. It's Mickey. Get him out. Whoa. Okay. Same solid stand. Oh, it's cute. Look at that. Whoa.
He's a little astronaut.
Yeah. And he is, what's the 57 doing? 75th, I mean, 75. Have to figure that out. Okay. There we go. I'm going to, he's so cute, look at that. It's like solid plastic. Oh my God.
Oh look, you can ride with Mickey. There's a space left.
Yeah. Just put my bum in here. And but I wouldn't see anything. I would only see like the back side of Mickey. I'm like, hello. So. This is the back side of the Space Mountain.
I'm like, how is he safe space? His ear sticking out of the...
What, sorry?
His ear sticking out of the helmet.
Oh yeah, yeah. Is this glow in the dark?
I don't know.
No, it's not. No. I think just it's a weird color. This is very cute. Yeah. The little ears. Would be cute if they also made a mini. Now I need more like Jungle Cruise, but I think they already made a Jungle Cruise.
Yeah, they made a Mickey in the Jungle
But not also for the 50?
No.
Ah, see? Okay, I'm going to put you next to... Isn't this cute?
Yes.
Okay, so now... This is going to be hard. Oh. Dum 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 dum.
Dum, da, dum.
So,
Hey, it's Mickey again.
when I was trying to find this, I actually said Sleeping Beauty Castle. And I was like... But that's because it looks like Sleeping Beauty Castle
It's
and not
Cinderella
Cinderella. Yeah, but it doesn't look like Cinderella Castle. Sorry, Funko. It doesn't. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, come over here. Put the box down over here. There we go. Whoops. Oh, that was fairy. There we go. Ooh, we're going to start with little Mickey. Oh my God, he actually has a tail. You know how many times they forget the tail? You don't have a tail.
How do you know? Maybe it's beneath my butt.
He doesn't. No tail. But this one does. Did he, I know for the 30th celebration Mickey has a hat. Does this Mickey has a... Yeah, I don't know. Anyways. Look at him. Look at that. Going to turn him. He doesn't have a stand. So, but I think he can stand on its own.
Oh, his little tail's adorable.
Yeah. Cute little tail. And there he is. I think the parks are using a lot of pink and blue this time. So now we're going for the big castle. So I'm always saying Cinderella castle, but this one, well,
It is Cinderella.
now I mean like since they painted it pink, I'm saying Sleeping Beauty castle. But it's not pink. It's supposed to be white. So. Ooh.
But to be honest, it really looks like the 60th castle from Disneyland. I just think they reused the mold. It's not like they reused the molds.
Yeah, I think so too.
Because it doesn't look like Cinderella, but like Sleeping Beauty castle.
I think this has to be on the back side. Like, yeah. I remember when we went to Walt Disney World, I remember this thing is a big part on the back side. But I also think... No, that's the front side. Okay, when I was looking at the back side I was like, I think you're exactly right with the mold thing. This is...
They just reused the mold.
Yeah.
But they painted it in Orlando colors, but it's a whole different castle.
Yeah. So yeah, if you want to buy this, be aware that it's not really...
The Orlando castle.
Yeah, and if you don't mind, it's still a cool castle, but when I'm looking at it now, I'm like, ooh, Funko, why? So I'm going to turn it. I've never turned a castle like this.
And
oh wait, I'm lying, because I did with Lego.
And if you want to know what we mean, we will put a picture in the video to show you.
Yeah. And there we go.
But I really love the castle.
Yeah, when I'm looking at this castle, I'm like, it needs more. It needs more. It doesn't have a bridge. It's like, but I still like it. Okay, I'm going to put them right here. So let's talk about favorites. So, what is your favorite, Natasha?
I really like the dog.
The doggy. The doggy is cute.
But I like them all. Because I like Disney.
You like Disney or Walt Disney World?
Walt Disney World.
Yes. So, my favorite is, of course, the doggy. Yeah, I like the ride things. I dislike the castle, but that's just because I'm like, why do I need a Funko building? I don't know.
Yeah, but I have like the Disneyland from the 60th and it's just exactly the same. And I'm like, no, I don't want to put them together.
Ah, that's why you're like, oh.
Yes.
Yeah. We can do a comparison video. Or just make a little video, like a short, to show people. Like, you got the... There's also pink then?
No, it's... I don't know. But we can make a video together.
Yeah. Okay. So, this one is very, very heavy. And I mean, this one is like, whoop. So, yeah, this one is not very heavy. So these are the only Funkos they have for the 50th anniversary right now. I don't know if there are more.
Yeah, there will be
out.
more. They have like a Mickey, Minnie, Pluto, and Donald, I guess, in the People Mover. There'll be a big train.
Oh yeah, I've seen that. I forgot about that.
and I saw a Hook in the Peter Pan flight.
Oh, I remember. I was like, oh, they chose a Hook. Maybe that's why I was like, meh.
But the really funny thing is, like, they're giving out the Hook in the Peter Pan boat, a big one, and then the keychain is Peter Pan in the Peter Pan float.
Right. Okay. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing and leave a comment on which one you like. Or maybe you share the same, feelings about this one. And we will see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.